So students, today's point of discussion is kinetic molecular theory of gases. Kinetic molecular theory of gases based on certain postulates, and remember this theory holds good for the ideal gases. As far as real gases are concerned, so real gases show certain deviation and those may go for approximation, but as far as ideal gases are concerned, these postulates of kinetic theory of gases, kinetic molecular theory of gases hold good for. Now let's see the postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gases one by one. So very first thing to be noted is the gas molecules contain large number of particles, what we call molecules. So large number of molecules are contained by the gas. And remember, as far as a single molecule or particle is concerned, its volume is negligibly small or negligible fraction when compared with the total volume occupied by the gas. So it is very important thing. So what the gas contains large number of molecules, and these molecules are so small, remember, which are so small that the volume is negligible fraction of the total volume occupied by the gas. This is very important thing to be noted. Now secondly, what these molecules do? Remember, the gas molecules are in continuous motion. Remember, these gas molecules move continuously within the vessel. And during the course of movement, what happens? These gas molecules collide with one another and with the wall of the container also. This is very important thing. What? The gas molecules are in constant motion. Very important thing. And these molecules collide with each other. These molecules collide with each other and with the walls of the container also. Now third very important thing, collisions of the gas molecules, whether in between themselves or with the wall of the container, is found to be perfectly elastic. Now what elastic collision is? Elastic collisions are those collisions where no heat is released or absorbed, no energy is lost, remember. So that type of collision is said to be elastic collision. So collisions are perfectly elastic. So during the course of collision, what happens? There may be transfer of kinetic energy from one molecule to other. That may happen, but the kinetic energy of the gas molecule, colliding molecule, will not get converted into any other forms like heat. So that is very important thing. So the kinetic energy of one molecule may be transferred to another, but it is not converted into other form of energy like heat. So such type of collisions are said to be what? The perfectly elastic collisions. And fourth very important things, molecules move completely independently. Remember, molecules move completely independently. It means that there is no attraction between two gas molecules, or there is no attraction between the gas molecule and the wall of the container. That is very important thing to be noted. So the molecules move completely independently of one another. Next very important thing, the pressure of the gas is just due to the bombardment of the gas molecule on the wall of the container. Remember, pressure of the gas is due to the bombardment on the walls of the container. This is very important thing to be noted. Another important thing is laws of classical mechanics are applicable to the motion of the gaseous molecules. Remember, so laws of the classical mechanics are applicable to the movement or motion of the molecule, to the motion of the molecules of the gas. And remember, most importantly, these postulates of the kinetic theory of gases hold good for the ideal gases. That is very important thing. So remember, these postulates hold good for ideal gases rather than the real gases. So these are some of the postulates of kinetic theory of gases or kinetic molecular theory of gases. Thank you very much.